Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send money to PayPal using GCash. While direct transfers are not available, there is a reliable workaround. You will need an active GCash MasterCard and 2 PayPal accounts for this process. This method allows you to effectively fund your PayPal account using your GCash balance. It involves linking your GCash card and performing an internal PayPal transfer. This ensures your GCash funds can be utilized within your PayPal ecosystem, offering flexibility for online transactions and payments. First, ensure you have a physical or virtual GCash MasterCard. Log into your primary PayPal account using a web browser, not the mobile app. Navigate to your wallet section, then select the option to link a card. Carefully enter your GCash MasterCard details, including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Make sure the billing address matches your GCash profile exactly to avoid any linking issues. Now, from your primary PayPal account, initiate a payment to your secondary PayPal account. Enter the email address associated with your secondary account and the desired amount. When prompted for the funding source, select your newly linked GCash MasterCard. It is often advisable to choose the sending to a friend option to potentially reduce transaction fees. Review all the payment details carefully before confirming the transfer to ensure accuracy. Once the payment is sent, log into your secondary PayPal account to confirm the funds have arrived. Then, transfer the money from your secondary account back to your primary PayPal account. Always double-check your primary PayPal balance to verify the entire process was successful. Be mindful that standard PayPal transaction fees, typically around 3.9% plus a fixed fee, and currency conversion rates may apply during these transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.